If you drink turmeric water every day, then this will happen to your body. Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a very common herb. Often known as the queen of spices, its main characteristics are a peppery aroma, strong flavor, and golden color. People from all over the world use this herb in their kitchen. It is also loaded with many healthy nutrients such as protein, dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Because of all these factors, turmeric is often used to treat a wide variety of health problems. Here's what happens when you eat every day. Improves heart health. The curcumin present in the turmeric prevents the accumulation of plaque in the blood vessels. It also averts blood clogging in the arteries, hence protecting your heart. Alkalizes the body. Turmeric is alkaline in nature. It alkalizes your body when you start drinking turmeric water daily. Prevents type 2 diabetes. Drinking turmeric water daily can prevent type 2 diabetes. When taken regularly, it can also reverse the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Improves brain health. Alzheimer's disease is caused by the low levels of growth hormones in the body. Curcumin controls the level of this hormone in the body. If you drink turmeric water daily, then you can avert any brain malfunction. Anti-cancer properties. Turmeric contains the anti-cancer properties as well. The strong antioxidants present in the turmeric prevents the catalytic oxidation caused by free radicals. This prevents the development of cancerous cells in our body. It improves digestion. If you consume turmeric water daily in the morning, you will notice a fair improvement in your digestive system. If you suffer from frequent acidity, then use this home remedy to get immediate relief from gut-related problems. It protects liver. Turmeric helps in improving the gallbladder function. It is an effective way to detoxify your liver from the accumulated toxins. Consumption of turmeric water daily can impact your health greatly. It is one of the effective benefits of turmeric water. It slows down aging. Curcumin destructs the free radicals and prevents aging. This helps decreasing the catalytic oxidation of free radicals and thus slows down aging.